DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upcycling some newspaper and turning it into beautiful, colorful gift wrap. And we are dyeing this newspaper with my Derwent Inktense blocks. They come in 72 colors, so you have an endless amount of colors to choose from. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And you know I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some dyed newspaper wrapping. Inktense blocks come in 72 colors, so you have an endless amount of dye colors to choose from for this project. The first printed newspapers were published weekly in Germany starting in 1609. I wonder if they had a gossip page. Newsprint is a non-archival paper made from wood pulp. It was invented in 1844 by Charles Fennerty of Nova Scotia, Canada. I'm using this dyed paper to wrap gifts, but consider making a beautiful wreath or a spring table centerpiece. Even a place card holder for a party could be beautiful. I'm going to leave a link to Derwent and everything I used for this project in the description. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.